Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Milwaukee Rocket Tower Light. It says adapts, performs, survives, 2,500 lumen. This is the M18 Milwaukee Rocket Light. This is not the new one. This is the older model. This is the one you get with the buy one get one free, basically on the Black Friday deals. So this is you basically buy the Rocket Light, the tool, and you get an 8 amp hour battery for free. That's the deal that they have going on, so I couldn't refuse it, obviously, and that's why I got it. We got item number 2131-20. Says here, Rocket M18 dual power light, M18 tool only. It says powered by battery or extension cord. It says dual power tower light, battery, and charger sold separately. It says Milwaukee tool, Brookfield, Wyoming, designed by Milwaukee tool, made in China, impact resistant, adjustable head, rotates 230 degrees vertically. And it says pivot 240 degrees horizontally. Extendable mass 4 to 7 feet. In height adjustment, low battery indicator. Light flashes when battery is low. So the LED will flash when it's low. Protective guard, secures head, land stool, transport storage. Carry handle, easy to one-handed transport. Impact resistant reinforced legs. This is AC inlet. It says 26 inches wide, as in the feet. Compact footprint, low center of gravity. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help us out by subscribing and hitting the like button. On this one, you got the True View that they call it, Alta Definición. Other LEDs, you got the blue, the bluer light. This is the True White or the True View, whatever you want to call it. All right, let's open this up. Just gonna flip it over, I guess. Off. All right, to start here, we got the instruction manual. Then we got a nice booklet here, like a little poster with all the tools. You have, it says Milwaukee up on the top, Milwaukee 2131-20 Rocket dual power light. You got the serial number there. You got the extension cord. You can power it by extension cord, or you can power it by battery. So put in a battery in there. All right, you got a nice handle there. We got another handle here and the on button there. Then we got the latches. We got the LED, nice big LED. Obviously, it's protected by film and protected by this cover in case it falls. So, all right, let's stand this up and see how this works. So, I guess you press this button here. Pretty simple. So, what you do is just press this button, close it, or press this button, open it, latch it in. And make sure you guys grab it from the top when you guys are doing that. And then this part goes up like so. I'm just gonna bring it up as high as that for now. And then you can just lock it in there with these, lock them in there. And I guess you can move this. You do have a heat sink here on the bottom. Looks like it's metal. This is plastic. Then you can move it this way. It does say Milwaukee here, 12 LEDs. So on the back we got a nice thick wire, nice thick cable here. We got this, obviously the heat sink there, and then we got the pivoting head. You can turn it anywhere, or you can turn it sideways. It's a really nice, very stable light. And then the light comes on. You got a high setting, lower setting, and an even lower setting, and an off. All right, so I'm gonna turn on the light. I'm gonna face the light that way. That's a really bright light. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's a really bright light. Let's bring this up a little bit longer, or a little bit more, so we can point it down. You can point it down that way. Let's turn on low, or medium, and then low. So you don't notice pretty much a difference here, a lot of difference. Obviously high is going to be super bright, but between medium, high and medium is not that much, and then low and medium is not that much either. So that's plenty of light. In low it's plenty of light. That's the way it looks. It's about, I would say, about 7 feet up in the air. It's a really bright light. See if I can get further behind. That's the bottom. As you guys see, the battery, putting that 12 amp hour battery, that makes it a little heavy. So here's an example of a room I'm remodeling. There's no light on at all. This is the only light that's on. It's fully stretched all the way to the top. You guys see there's plenty of light here. Very bright. Just simulating if you didn't have any electricity. And that's the back part of it. You can even get the reflection. There's way too much light there. I cannot stare at it because I go blind. I think I'm going to choose the low setting, or the medium or the low setting. I think that'll be fine for this light, because obviously you're gonna blind yourself. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon.